Packout Princess!
What?
We're making a video!
Okay, good.
Apparently she's slow. That means you have to come out here.
No, you come in here.
What? Okay, well fine. She's not going to come out here. Good thing packouts are on wheels. If you're not going to come to me, I'll come to you.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I brought...
A hangover.
Maybe somebody shouldn't say yes to tequila.
I drank too much.
You drink too much.
What?
You drank?
What are you doing with the pack out?
Oh, I just do the video right here.
No. You're on your own for this one, buddy. You can go do it. I'm laying here.
I got to do everything by myself.
Yeah.
Well, how am I going to get views without the princess?
I'll be in the Friday video. You can do this by yourself. Go take us the pack out.
Gosh, fine. So you're not going to help at all?
No.
Nothing?
Okay, I will help. I'll look for the winners from Friday's video.
Oh, okay. Well, don't hurt yourself on the couch.
I won't. Give me a headache.
All right, let's get to work.
Okay.
All right, what's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and I guess I'm the Packout Princess of None, right? She's sick. It's funny how she calls off work. She rolls over, looks at me, and goes, I'm not feeling good. Whatever. So I promised you guys in the last video, and I've been teasing a little bit about this, but this, right? This might look familiar, but it's not from who you think. This is Namic. This is a 100% shiny. It's a shiny product. So this is a bracket that is going to attach to one of your railed packouts that's going to give you the ability to do something really cool. Watch this. Super cool, right? Packout. Boom. Okay. Right? Or if you have any of the new Milwaukee accessories that go for the wall system, boom. Or if you have any Milwaukee tools, if you like using the little clips that they come with, this one doesn't have one. Okay, there, I'm back. Tool clips, tool hooks, right on the side of the packout. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move this out of the way. And I know there's no Packout Princess, but that doesn't mean there's not fun. There's two of them, and you're gonna find out why at the end. So let's get a packout over here, okay? Packout. It's disconnector. Okay, very simple. You gotta love how much easier these packouts are for getting those rails out. I'm gonna just lay it on its side so you guys can get a good view, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that none of the set screws are sticking through. We're gonna line her up. You may have to loosen these so that it slides on. We'll go ahead and pop. Okay, I'm gonna loosen all four sides. This is the same problem I've had before. I've literally removed these. Okay, you ever have a hard time getting these rails back in? Pop those caps off first. Then go find where they shot across to your job. I always use a punch. Works best because it's blunt enough to not leave this massive gouge in the clip. And then you can simply, at an angle, boop, boop, and it launches. Now that you have it off, while holding it from coming back out, put this, right? Okay, then take your screw, tighten it in, move on to the next one. So I'm gonna go find that and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back together. We are going to adjust this on a packout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that stack so that you can get a better view. Let me move this guy out of the way. we're back and we're stacked. Hey, that sounds good. So, one of the things that some of you might ask, and I'm not going to give away who commercially came up with this idea, but that version, you do want to line this up so that the packout can latch to your lid. On this one, it just hangs. So really, it doesn't matter where you place these. Okay, you're just going to take an Allen wrench, right? Loosen these up. And when you're adjusting these, because of some differences in the rails, sometimes it can help to keep everything loose, get it where you want it, right? Further down, if you want to do something like square, right? But if you're coming up like this, you can't really get stuff behind it. So I'm just going to sort of go right about in the middle, and then what I'm going to do is loosely set my Allens, and then all of the hardware for this is included. Okay, so you have a place you can put things like that. You can take your drills that come with hooks and hang them there. You can hang them there. You can use other people's 3D printed accessories. This guy from Milwaukee fits right in. Okay. Also, boom, check this out. Grinder holder. You like that? That's actually available at shop.jakeofall.com. But yeah, the grinder holder, any of these accessories, right, are the sort of feet style. Let me just slide that grinder holder out of the way. You can put the grinder on it. Or, of course, you can put a packout on it. And now you have got a packout on the side. And if you haven't seen one of the latest press releases from Milwaukee, they just came out with a half packout light in M12 version of this guy that has a little place in it for phone, a little place in it for some of the stock packout trays, the rectangle, and two of the squares. A place to, like I said, put your phone, a little port for power. So you could take something like that, because it is only the new M12 doesn't have the packout receivers in it. It's only got the feet. So something like that, or this one, can mount right to your side. You could aim the light, right? So super cool. Definitely, if you want to use the new one, I would say you're going to want something like this. Being able to hang packout accessories off the side of your packout is definitely helpful in some cases. I use the double decker, the JakeOfALL guy, to hang, boom, drills all the time. And I like these little cradles. They work both great for the M12 and the M18. So you could use this for packouts. You could use this for the stock packout accessories. You could also use it for the 3D printed accessories, which I'm pretty sure this one will fit. Okay, the cup holder doesn't fit, but I don't make that. But yeah, as you can see, it adds a lot of versatility and storage options to the side. It's not a new idea, but it's definitely a new take on it. Everything is included in the kit, as I said. So I guess at this point, the only thing left to do is to go bother Packout Princess. Let's see what she's doing. So this is, honestly, if you guys have wondered, this is Packout Princess in her natural habitat. On the couch.
I drank too much.
Yeah. Tequila to kill you.
It sure does. Look
Nice mask. Is that because it's broad daylight? You know those blinds are automated. You can just make it dark in here. Yeah. Okay. So what am I doing in here then?
Oh, okay. So I found the winners.
The winners of what?
The winners from last Friday's video.
What are they going to win?
They are going to win so somebody's going to win the ratchet strap things.
Okay.
And then the other person is going to win the double decker.
No.
Yes.
We already announced that one.
Oh.
It's the SDS bits.
My bad.
But that's fine.
Like, Like I said, I gotta hang on her.
Yeah.
I can't remember last night's a little blurry. Okay?
She might be cute. No.
Okay, so I'm gonna call the 2 winners, and then I get to pick what they get when I mail it out.
Okay.
So, Greg.
No, I don't like Greg.
What?
I'm kidding. Go ahead.
Steger.
Ooh, great
He said
start.
bogus spec 1.21 gigawatts.
1.21 gigawatts.
Okay, and then the next winner was Carl J. Shields, and he also said the fake spec was 1.21 gigawatts.
You know, somebody did get the other one about the tongue piercing. Did you not find that one?
No, I didn't find that one.
Okay.
But these are the ones I picked, so.
All right, she picks. So
I
at least you're good for something.
I also.
What? Are you giving away my stuff again?
Yes, I am. And you're going to tell them how they're going to win it.
Okay, so we got 2 of those cool rail packout brackets. From here, you try to say the name.
It
Curva.
Namic.
Namic.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take her saying.
Yeah,
so we got another one. So you can win it in this video.
Yeah.
Comment below.
Yep.
Who was the first to come out with this commercially?
Yeah.
And the answer is not them.
Right, not them. Somebody else. You gotta think about it.
But there are some differences, right?
Yeah.
This one doesn't latch to the packout. The other one that I'm not going to say their name does latch to the let the packout latch into it. And they got a few other accessories to theirs, but you know.
Yeah. So they should like, subscribe.
Share.
Yep.
And
comment. What are they gonna comment? Did we say what?
who was
that's
first
what they-
commercially?
See, I told you I gotta hang on.
But hey, there's plenty of room for competition. Competition's good. Competition's, I love it, Grogu. Spurs, new ideas. So everyone, if you've got new great packout ideas, don't be afraid to try them out. And I apparently need to be the only one that packs out because the packout princess is already snoring out.
Night night.
So yeah, you guys have a good one.